Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. So let's start this video. Open your Trust Wallet application, then you need to verify with your passcode or fingerprint. So once you are logged in, you have to click on this swipe option. Now click on swipe option on the top left corner of the screen, and over here if you click over here and then in the search bar you have to type USDT. So as you can see, no result found. But if you go over here and type over here TRX, it shows the result. But there is no option for USDT, so we cannot swap USDT to TRX over here. Simply we need to go back and then click on this discover option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now in the search bar, search for pancake swap. Now first you need to connect your Trust Wallet with this. Simply click on this connect option on the top right corner. Click on Trust Wallet. Now click on connect. So my wallet is connected. Now just scroll down and click on BNB and search for USDT. Click over here. Now in this box, click on it and then search for TRX. Now there are two types of TRX. Make sure to select the right TRX. So I will select TRX Tron only. And from here you have to select the amount, and then after writing the amount you can easily swap USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.